Good afternoon, everyone. I would like to begin by asking you a question. How many people have learned about the specific value of a content to the company? Please show me with the raise of a hand. Thank you. Obviously, most people doesn't know much about this problem. In fact, from national enterprises to personal studios, they all need the profession of accountant. When it comes to accounting may have originated in the Western Zhou dynasty. The first institute of accountants was the Annenberg Institute of Accountants, founded in 1853. Therefore, we can find the importance of the profession of accountant. Luxembourg once said, accounting is the cornerstone of economic activity and a barometer of enterprises. The role of accountants in the company should not be underestimated. My name is Jiang Hongyu. I'm a first-year student at UKM University in Malaysia. I mainly majored in accounting. In accounting, there are accountants, financial analysts, internal auditors, and cost accountants, and other positions related to accounting majors, and accountants are the most common. As the core of personnel of enterprise, financial management, planning, reporting, culture, planning, management, consulting act, all belong to scope of accountants. Today, I would like to share with you three major uses of accountants in company development: the introduction of financial planning and the policy security and the measurement of revenue and records of dates. First of all, accounting has a lot to do with financial development of the company. Barack Obama once said, openness and transparency is the bridge to build trust. The accountant is the designer of this bridge. Accountants sort out and publish financial statements and add to the results in a timely manner so that investors and consumers can understand the operating conditions of the enterprise. In addition, you can also consider publishing the compensation of the board of directors and executive, as well as the details of the transaction with suppliers and the customers to increase the transparency of information. Accountants are involved in internal decision-making, workflow, financial information, and other aspects of the enterprise. By improving transparency, it can promote information sharing with enterprise. Establish a good corporate culture and trust, and play an important role in improving corporate efficiency and social responsibility. In corporate governance, accounts adhere to the principles of honesty and transparency, ensure that enterprises disclose relative information in a timely, accurate, and complete manner, and provide a reliable decision-making basis for shareholders, investors, and other stakeholders. Accountants greatly implement accounting standards, improve financial reports, and ensure the true presentation of the company's financial statement. At the same time, accountants promote their attitude and conduct independent audits of the company's financial reports to improve the credibility of the audit, implement financial surveillance, and maintain financial discipline. The company's operation management, the service must be coordinated with financial regulations and financial plans for company. Supervise the budget, expenditure standards, and various economic indicators to raise funds. The collection is reasonable and legal, and the effect of the use of funds continually to improve to ensure the division of funds take into account the interests of the state, the collective, and the individual. Account financial planning ability helps companies in various economic environments maintain stability, thus laying the foundation for the long-term development of the company. The foundation certified public accountant through in-depth analysis of the company's cost structure find out that it can be better. The field is analyzation. The accountant's contribution to the future development of the company is diversified and vital. Through financial planning, cost control, risk management, regulatory compliance, decision support, and professional knowledge and skills, investment evaluation help the company success in an increasingly complex basic environment. Follow with the change and development of the business environment, the role of an accountant it has become more important. They will continue to work for the development of the company, make important contributions, and become an indispensable part of the company's success. Secondly, we will discuss the balance between the accountant's financial security and income and expenditure of the company. Accountants perform financial audits to verify the authenticity and compliance of the company's financial statements. Audits can help ensure that the company's financial reports comply with accounting standards and provide reliable information for investors, management, and other stakeholders. By ensuring the authenticity of the company's financial information, accountants can enhance investors' trust in the company. Investors are usually more willing to invest in companies with sound financial management. The accountant is responsible for handling and managing the company's financial information. They need to ensure the security of financial data by implementing effective internal control and adopting a secure financial system. Accounts can protect the company's financial information from potential threats. Accountants are usually responsible for managing and maintaining the company's financial systems, including financial software and databases. They need to ensure that these systems are properly protected by implementing account control, encryption, and other security measures. Accountants can improve the security of the financial system. This includes the correct use of the system, protecting passports, and being elected to attract, which will help the whole company from a common security culture. Accounting needs to understand the company with various financial and accounting regulations by ensuring that companies comply with regulations including data privacy laws and financial reporting regulations. Accounting can mitigate the ledger risks faced by the company and maintain the company's reputation. Accountants can help the company identify and assess. Accountants perform financial audits to verify the authenticity and compliance of the company's financial statements. Audits can help ensure that the company's financial reports comply with accounting standards and provide reliable information for investors, management, and other stakeholders. By ensuring the authenticity of the company's financial information, accountants can enhance investors' trust in the company. Investors are usually more willing to invest in companies with sound financial management. The accountant is responsible for handling and managing the company's financial information. They need to ensure the security of financial data by implementing effective internal control and adopting a secure financial system. Accountants can protect the company's financial information from potential threats. Accountants are usually responsible for managing and maintaining the company's financial systems, including financial software and databases. They need to ensure that these systems are properly protected by implementing account control, encryption, and other security measures. Accountants can improve the security of the financial system. This includes the correct use of the system, protecting passports, and being elected to attract, which will help the whole company from a common security culture. Accounting needs to understand the company with various financial and accounting regulations by ensuring that companies comply with regulations including data privacy laws and financial reporting regulations. Accounting can mitigate the ledger risks faced by the company and maintain the company's reputation. Accountants can help the company identify and assess financial and accounting risks. This includes identifying potential fraud risks errors by establishing effective internal audits and monitoring. Accounts can help companies reduce potential risks. Accountants participate in the development and the maintenance of the company's internal culture system to ensure the accuracy and the transparency of financial reports. Strong internal control helps to prevent fraud and error while improving the efficiency and the reliability of the company's operation. Accountants can detect abnormal patterns or potential fraud in a timely manner by monitoring financial transactions and data. During the audit process, they can check financial records, identify potential signs of fraud, and take corresponding measures to prevent and the risk of fraud. Third, accountants are responsible for the company's development research and data analysis. As a financial consultant of enterprise, the accountant plays an important support and advice role in the enterprise innovation and R&D project. The primary tasks of accountants in enterprise innovation and R&D project is formulate financial budget and evaluate projects. By formulating a detailed financial budget, accountants can clearly understand the funds required for the project and track use of funds. Accountants assume important responsibility for cost control and resource allocation in enterprise innovation and R&D project. In the field of accounting, confidentiality involves the protection of important information such as accounting, financial status, and the business transaction of enterprises. Only adults and leisure personnel have access to this sensitive information. Accounting information contains important information about the financial situations, business securities, and the future development direction of the enterprise. If this information is leaked to competitors, it will bring huge economic losses and competitive pressure to enterprises. Accountants should pay attention to the economy at home and abroad, changes in the situation, especially policy adjustments, interest rates, and exchange rates, the impact of other factors on the company. Accountants should analyze the industry, market, capacity, growth rate, competition pattern, act to determine the company's positioning in the industry and future development space, assessing the advantages and disadvantages of the company and its competitors is to formulate a strategy. Important basis. Accountants should start from product quality, price, comparative analysis of channels, bridge, and other angles in order to understand the strategy and business model of competitors. And then be public. The company's competitive strategy provides state support. Inclusion. Accounts play a very important role in the company, both for company's internal finance and decision making, and for future development. As a result, we also have a better understanding of the important position of accountant. That's all. Thanks for listening.